In this video, you will learn how to add a countdown timer or countdown sticker, you can say, in your Instagram story. So hey, I'm Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guide It. If you want to add a countdown timer on your Instagram story, you have to open your Instagram application. I will click on it and let me wait for it to load. So I will go to my story section. Now I have gone to my story section. Now I will capture this picture. So I have captured this. Now I will go to the second number icon on which is on the top right side of the page. Now you can see that you can scroll down this page and you can see that countdown timer is mentioned next to the clock. So I will click on this, and generally people put this countdown timer if they have a new announcement, or if they have announced a video and they create a suspense about their video. And mostly YouTubers use this sticker and they put a countdown timer on their video, so people who have curiosity watch this story and watch this timer back to back, and if this timer goes to 0, then they go to that specific channel and then open their desired video. So this is normally used for curiosity or excitement purpose. So I will give this countdown name that my new video, for example. This is my countdown timer title. So I will give my time. So it is asking me to choose an end date. So I will click on, for example, 13 October. Okay, so it is now mentioned that on 13, for example, 12 a.m. 13 is 2 hours 39 minutes and 43 seconds away from my current time. So this is the whole process of adding the countdown sticker on your Instagram story. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel, and if you have any confusions in your mind, you can ask us in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.